Hi, it's Guy from Project Portfolio Office, and in today's video I'm covering our latest enhancement, which is to the calendar widget, and it relates to filtering and the number of events. It's been 2 years now since we released our calendar, but what happens from time to time is you may have specific days or weeks that get quite busy. PPO's current setting is that we only show the top 5 events. So if there are more events on a day, you would have to click the More option, and then you get to see the additional ones. If you wanted to also hide or not show all the events on your calendar, the only option you have today is to actually delete that item, and then you'd have to recreate it later. In the enhancement that we're releasing today, you now have 2 new settings on the calendar widget. The first one is the max events. So here, for example, I'd be able to set this to 10. And then you also have this option over here, which allows you to include or exclude certain events. So going back to my calendar, if I've got a busy week like this, where there's a lot of people who are on leave, a lot of our clients will book their annual leave as tasks on a leave project in PPO, and then it gets quite busy. So what you're now able to do, for example, is to go here, change the max events to 10, which will then give your calendar additional space and not have the more option for items less than 10. And then if I wanted to, for example, hide the leave events, I would then be able to simply go here and say, for now, I'd like to just hide those events, therefore not show them. Simplifies my calendar, but doesn't delete it, and I'm able to simply get it back by just using this option over here. Include, exclude events. We hope this is useful, and if you haven't subscribed to our blog, please do so. You can simply go to our blog from the website or from the application, enter your email address, your first name, your last name, and you can subscribe to our blog. Thank you very much for watching our video.